Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down and find the sound. Then let's tap on ringtone. And here we've been transferred to the full list of pre-installed ringtones from which you can choose. Right here in the right upper corner you can tap on this plus icon and you will be transferred to your own file. So if you've got something, for example, downloaded or recorded, it should appear right here. Or you can choose the silent option, and after tapping on it, your device will basically won't use any kind of ringtone to notify about the incoming call. So under it, we've got the pre-installed ringtones, and if you wish to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it. It's quite loud, so let me just volume it down. Oh, I could actually use this one, this switcher. And basically this is how it works. So let's pretend I wish to use raindrops as my ringtone. So just tap on it and go back. And as you can see, it is notified right here, which means that from now on, this device will use the chosen ringtone to notify me about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.